Uh, Hello, this is Rohit Matra, and I'm here for demo for Project 5 Design Patterns. My group number is 51. Let me share my screen real quick. Share. I'm gonna go and download my submission first. 5 TP demo. Save, yeah. Let me just go over here real quick. Unzip it. Go over here. Open it in VS Code. Okay. This is like the previous. Mm, all right. So this is our Gumball machine.java. It's like everything. This is like a public class, and everything is defined over here. So states are defined, the count and the quarters inserted. So it keeps a tab of that, and everything is defined like Gumball machine, print state, insert quarter. So when you do put a quarter in there, it will like just update it, eject quarter. If quarters inserted is more than zero, like one or two, it will like eject it and like uh update the state. It will also like if there is like zero quarters inserted, it will like just say no quarters to eject. uh Also there's like turn crank. So for this project the objective was to change one quarter thing to two quarter things. So if there are two quarters in the machine, it will like turn crank, it will dispense the ball, and else it will like just say that you need to insert two quarters before turning the crank. There's also release ball. So if the count of balls are more than zero, it will like release a quarter ball, gumball. Then there's refill, so it will like just add more gumballs into the machine. And yeah, here is print state. It will like just let us know what's the state of machine. And this is like basic boilerplate. All right, let's move on to state.java. So this is like enum, and there are like different states defined in here, as in no quarter. Then we do have has two quarters. Then we do have sold. Then we do have winner, and then we do have sold out state as well. So let's go one by one. First of all, no quarter. So this is the state where like no quarters has been inserted and the machine is waiting for user to put in some quarters. So it has like insert quarter, so it will just say yeah, you inserted a quarter. And when the quarters inserted goes into two, it will return the has two quarter state, right? So it will like just transition into that state. Then we do have eject quarter. So guess if there is one quarter already in the machine and you put eject quarter, it will like just give out one quarter back, and yeah, that's it. And if there is like no quarters, it will like just print out or you haven't inserted any quarter. And then there's turn crank, but you need two quarters to turn the crank, so to like just print out U-turn, but there's no quarter. Same with dispense, like you need to pay first, you need to put some quarters in. And we also do have refill. So yeah, that's just basic things. And now coming on to his two quarters. uh so the machine only works with two quarters, not with one, not with zero, two. So you cannot add more than two quarters in there. So it will like just say, yeah, you cannot insert another quarter. For reject quarter, it will like return the quarters and return back to no quarter if no quarters remaining. Yeah, but you get me right. Yeah. Then there is turn crank. So yeah, it will like just turn crank, and one out of 10 times there comes a winner state where like instead of one gumball, seeing gumballs keep rolling out. So uh, if that is the case, then it will like return the winner state. Otherwise, yeah. Then there is dispense. So and there is also two strings. So Now coming on to the sold state. So this is a state where a gumball is being dispensed. So you cannot do anything at this time, as when the gumball is coming on, you cannot insert any quarter, you cannot eject any quarter because gumball is already dispensed. You cannot turn crank because you haven't inserted any quarters, and the ball from like the previous crank is still coming out. And there is like a dispense state, so it will like just release the ball. And if there is also a check, so if there are like no gumballs left, uh it will like just say, yeah, we are out of gumballs, and it will go into the sold out state. Then we do have the winner state. So this is like where we get three gumballs. So insert quarter, eject quarter, turn crank, wait. So this is like the dispense thing. And yeah, here we will get like three gumballs. If the machine is out of gumballs, it will say, yeah, you are out, we are out of gumballs. Uh, yeah, and this is like the sold out state, so there are like no gumballs remaining in the machine, and it will outrightly deny any operation on it. And this is like just a warning signs. It will like just say, yeah, we cannot do any operation on it. Then we do have like this taste taste code, but I just want to go ahead and compile my code first and run it so that we can compare it with our test code. So let me just go and compile it. Java. So the test code is Gumball machine test drive. So let me just go ahead and all right, let's just go. So I started with 10 gumballs. It just giving out the machine state. So yeah, this is good. Now coming on to test case one. So it is insert one quarter, eject it and observe the state. So let me just go over here. So this is our test one. Inserted a quarter. It is updating. Yeah, quarter is inserted one. Then we do eject. It returns the quarter. It says that yeah, don't have any quarter in there. And then again we do eject quarter. So it just says like no, we don't have any quarters to eject. So yeah, it's working fine. Then coming on to test case two, insert two quarters and turn crank twice. So let's go. Inserted a quarter. Now we do have two quarters. Cranked it. Gumball came out. Cranked again. You need to insert two quarters before turning the crank. So yeah, it's working fine as well. Test three, insert one quarter, refill machine and test crank. Okay. So this is test three. Inserted a quarter. Machine state is updated. Refilled it with 15 gumballs. Count is updated as well. Then all right. Turn the crank. It will print out. Yeah, you need to insert two quarters before turning the crank. So yeah, working fine. Coming on to test four. So I just want to see if the winner state is triggered or not. So it is like we do have to look out for three gumballs. Let me just go and check. Let me just go out and check. Let me just go out and check. Let me just winner state. Yeah, here we go. Bingo. So yeah, inserted a quarter. Inserted a quarter. Whoop, we got the winner state. So yeah, this is working fine as well. Now I'm just like I just want to check out the sold out state as well. So I'm just gonna like empty out the machine. So this is it. Okay, so you can see that I achieved the sold out state, and it's just like you cannot insert a quota. The machine is sold out. You turned, but there are like no gumballs dispensed. So yeah, the code is working fine. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.